Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be taking you guys through some productive days in my life. So right now I'm at the library completing my a very long English homework. Working in a library was so fun because everyone around me was super productive and watching them made me be productive. So right after I was done with my English homework, I had to attend a class from Cambly. So basically Cambly is the only app in India that provides one-on-one private English classes with tutors from USA, Canada, UK, etc. And it is especially useful to those who know how to read, write, but struggle in speaking English confidently. Before and all, this was a main concern for me as I was able to read, write, but speaking was a major problem. For me, some pronunciation wasn't right and speaking with some foreigners wasn't ideal for me. I wasn't able to be my best because I didn't have that confidence. Once I started using Cambly, I became more confident, and you guys also played a major role because now I think I can speak confidently to anybody. Basically, you can choose various courses like business English, personality development, and the tutors on Cambly are really friendly, supportive, who will help you to improve your weak areas without any judgments. So if you don't feel confident in talking English, then you should definitely give this a try and let me know. I'll provide a link in the description box down below.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom, I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause mundane. Oh, I can stay inside it. Take what we inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Ay, woo, ah, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make a today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and